So we've just got to Ubud, and this place is amazing. We are speechless. Look at this. Henry, look at this view. This is amazing.
All this hard work's actually paid off.
Yeah.
3 years of grinding, mate. This is a proper holiday.
So look at this. We've got the pool over here with the Buddha. We've got this place over here to watch the sunset. You go down here. First bedroom in here. Possibly the best place to have a bath I've ever seen. Look at that view. That is crazy. Toilet in there. Another bedroom in here. You can go all the way down here, and there's a river down there and a yoga place. And then if we have a look at this, literally this is crazy. These guys chilling. Yes. TV, Wi-Fi, kitchen in here. Bathroom and a bath in here. Lovely. Bedroom here. But this is the place you want to be. Look at this. This is the bedroom. Look at this view. It's ridiculous. This view is amazing. Imagine waking up to this every day. Crazy. This is the coolest place I've ever stayed, by a mile. Put some more energy in it, Baz.
You need some strength, bro.
So we're at the Holy Water Temple and about to get some of that holy water.
Oh, I don't know.
Where's this holy water? Hi, bro. Where is it? No, there's someone here.
The way it glistens off his head.
And there we are.
This guy is recording.
How do you feel about your spiritual awakening, Henry?
Mate, I feel fantastic. Watch this. How do you feel, Jack?
Spiritually awakened.
How about you, Lee?
Is this the best bath you've ever seen or what? I'm getting in. Woo! Whoa! This is the dream. Oh. I don't even care if there's dead flies in here. It's cool, mate. Oh, there's a big spider. Woo! I don't know, man. I'm just happy. Ah. Woo-wee. Oh. The only thing I would say is there are so many bugs around here. Like, there's spiders all in the bath. But it's cool, because the views are nice.